There's my Hollingsworth air compressor that I've had for a long time. I just got home from an adventure out to Kitsap County. Uh-oh. I have another one. I don't know if it runs. I don't know if it has spark. It was cheap. It was $150. This one, let's see if I can get up close enough. It's really hard to see. And I'll have to tell you, it's March 1983. That's the data plate, of course. This one was made by Henke Manufacturing Company, Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It's a lot shorter. Uses the same engine. Oh yeah, let's go back to the data plate just a moment. Compressor, air, engine driven, 5 CFM at 175 PSI. So it uses the same air compressor that's on my other one. The tank, I don't know if it has the same volume. I sprayed a little bit of Marvel Mystery Oil on some parts, and there are things that are wiggly, like the lug nuts. Nice thing about this rim is I can take it apart to change. This is an actual split rim. The rims are, the two sides are, the rim is in two pieces. Look at that cotter pin right there. That's gonna need fixing. And the oil level in the compressor is look at that oil. That's in really good shape. I don't know if that's engine oil or what. I'll check it. It should have compressor oil. Let's come around here. That's oil for the engine. I looked at this when I was at the man's house. Look at the color of that oil. That's pretty good. This engine was made in, no, I can't get it close enough, December of '76. Date manufactured right there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but my view on the little screen of my video says the glare is, looks like the glare is too much. It has a little few bent spots and there's a lot of dust on it, but in overall condition this thing's in great shape. And the nice thing is I have two brand new engines that have never been run, and I could pull this one off and put a brand new one in there, and then see what maybe figure out what's going on with this one, if it won't make spark. So these things are a little hard to find, so I had to pounce on this. I'm happy it came up for sale. I needed something to do today that was constructive and pretty good. Ooh, look at that. That looks like a homemade fuel hose mount. That'll have to go. The fuel tank doesn't smell like gasoline. There is a little bit of rust in it. There's one of the mounts there. The other one's over here. the guy I bought it from, I don't think I said yet, thanks Gary, he says, oh, there's some ground clearancing on the fuel tank. I call it patina. You can't get that just by non-use. But I'm excited to see if I can get this thing running. I really think that may be an add-on, that little muffler, to stop the pop that the engine makes. And in a previous video, I put a bigger Nelson muffler on the other one. It just so happens I have another Nelson muffler. So I'll have to get this thing running and see how it does and what's up and all that good stuff. And maybe I'll leave that little muffler on there. Maybe I'll put the bigger Nelson muffler on there. I don't know. Alright, I tried turning it over to see if we have spark. No. So I'm going to take the cover off. Oh. I got a screw right there. Be right back. Alright, so I got that little screw out. Let's get this cover off. We have some webbage from spiders. Nope, there's still a spider in there. My air hose won't reach. So, I have to get the flywheel off in order to get to the points. 1976, pretty sure these engines were still breaker points. So, just a moment.